Hello, this is Chemistry, the Central Science, 11th edition. We are in Chapter 2 on atoms, molecules, and ions, and this is the end of the chapter questions, question number 25. Fill in the gaps of the following table, assuming each column represents a neutral atom. So the first one is easier. They've given you the element symbol, which here is chromium. Okay, so chromium is number 24, okay, or 24. 24 means that's the protons. The atomic number of chromium is 24, and it's the number of protons. Normally, you would put it here, okay? You don't have to, because chromium 52 is telling you exactly how many neutrons plus protons you have. The 52 is the mass number, specific mass number. So 24 is assumed because chromium is 24. Okay, chromium is always 24. So chromium is 24 protons, and then 52 minus 24 number of electrons. Since protons and neutrons add together to give you 52, 24 plus neutrons equals 52. So since chromium is atomic number 24, it has 24 protons and 24 electrons. So you're going to see that in a neutral atom, protons and electrons are going to be the same. Well, let's steal the others. I see 48 electrons on this column. That means there has to be 48 protons, and I can simply look up number 48 and I'll have the symbol. In the next column, I've got 86 electrons. That gives me 86 protons. In the previous column, I have 25 protons. That means I have 25 electrons. And in the last column, I have 82 protons. That means I have 82 electrons. Okay. Well, chromium 52 means that the mass number is 52. 52 is the mass number, and the mass number is the protons plus neutrons. So if I subtract protons from 52, so 52 minus 24, I get 28 neutrons. All right, so that first column is filled. 24 protons, 24 electrons, 28 neutrons. 24 plus 28 is 52. That's chromium 52. Okay, so I can erase this here because it's not necessary. All right, what else do we see? We see the next one is protons 25. So I'm going to look up 25, and I see that 25 is right beside chromium. It is manganese. Okay, so that is right here. Manganese is 25. So I know that the symbol is Mn. I don't know what the number is yet. Not yet, but I will. I do know I've already filled out that it has 25 electrons because it has the same amount of electrons as protons. And I know the mass number is the sum of the protons plus the neutrons. So 25 plus 30 is 55. And so this is manganese 55. Okay, the 55 goes in the upper right corner. The next one I know has 48 protons. I'm looking for number 48. And 45, 46, 47, 48. It looks like cadmium. Okay, so cadmium is CD. It has 48 electrons, 48 protons. What's the mass number? Well, the mass number is 48 protons plus 64 neutrons. It's 112. So this is cadmium 112. The next one I'm looking for is 86. And I think 86 is radon. So this is Rn, radon. So I know that the mass number here is 222. So this is going to be mass number radon 222. How do I find neutrons? 222 minus 86, which is the number of protons, gives me 136 neutrons. The last one is 207. 207. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 82, not 207. Looks like lead. This is Pb. It's lead 207 because that's the mass number. You're putting the mass number in the upper right. I just need the number of neutrons. So 207 minus the number of protons, which is 82, gives me 125. And I've filled it out. Thank you.